Goodbye Manila. Hello Saigon. From Guam to Vietnam. Wait. From Guam to Manila to Vietnam. You're always in the air.
Always.
Always. How many times have you been here in Manila?
Once a week for the last 5 weeks.
Mr. Rico Lee to Ho Chi Minh. Mr. Jimmy Yee to Ho Chi Minh. Mr. John Lloyd, Ho Chi Minh. And we're back at it. Siyempre, travel tax ulit. Haba ng queue dito. 20 minutes bago kita nakuha. Ay, nako, grabe travel tax. Kung maintindihan ba't kailangan i-tax kami, di ba? Aalis na ng bansa, may travel tax pa. Let's go! Sorry, you have to wait. You were so fast. Sabi naman, ang tagal naman dito sa Terminal 1. Immigration. Hindi ako sanay dito sa Terminal 1. Terminal 3 pa rin ako. Nakakaya kay Coach Jimmy, naghintay tuloy. 3 a.m. Hungry. Gate 12. Here we go. Let's go. Watch me. Good morning, Vietnam. Oh my gosh, parang isang oras ako sa queue sa immigration. Woo! Siguro napagod na nakakahintay itong moto. Let's go. There's Jimmy. Grabe. Almost 1 hour. But still, winner. Thank you, Lord. Winner ka talaga.